over the time period, Dennis and I have had many wonderful and enjoyable adventures together.
Dennis is an excellent listener, a talented problem solver, but most of all, he is a man who knows the value of collaboration.
You work hard, you play hard, you value the people around you, and you're going to bring out the best in everyone.
You're a fantastic scholar and individual. We've been friends for a long time and colleagues for a long time as well.
That he is a consummate educator, a gifted teacher and mentor, a successful researcher, and a phenomenal and visionary leader.
Congrats on your new role, though I'm a little surprised your next job's not America's Next Top Model. Too bald, I guess, but Tyra Banks' loss is Indiana University East's gain.
On that note, you can say that I actually taught Dennis everything he knows about leadership in the academy. Seriously though, I just want to say congratulations, Dennis, or shall I say, Chancellor Rome.
I learned how important it was to have that social occasion with a mission, and more so just to let our hair down for a bit. Metaphorically, of course, in Dennis's case.
Professionally speaking, I don't think I'd be at the point in my career that I am without Dr. Rome's encouragement. And personally speaking, let's face it, the man's just fun. He's a tremendous human being to be around. It's impossible not to like him.
Your new community is very fortunate. They have hired a leader with a deep reservoir of experience in higher education and terrific ideas that will help Indiana University East move its mission forward.
And I have every confidence that you will continue to treat your colleagues, the faculty, and the students at IU East with the same integrity, compassion, and dedication to truth that those who have long known you have come to expect of you and to respect.
Just remember to demonstrate that wonderful sense of humor that you showed us at Sappho's, and you'll always leave them laughing.
Provide great leadership for students, faculty, administrators, and the community.
Congratulations again on your new appointment and assignment as Chancellor.
So I know that you, Dr. Rome, and IU East will continue to have great success in the future.
Know that I wish you nothing but the very best. I am excited to see what you do for IU East and for the community.
And I wish Dr. Rome and the Indiana University community a lot of success. I know you're going to accomplish great things and that you're going to be very happy with the Chancellor at your campus.
I would not miss this opportunity to wish my friend and former colleague well.
Thank you, Dennis, for your years of counsel, support, friendship, and love.
I just want to say congratulations and much success.
Chancellor Rome, I, along with your colleagues at Indiana University Southeast, congratulate and salute you on your official installation as the leader of Indiana University East.